So let's say I have a few images and I'm trying to decide which one I like best. One of the things I can do to kind of, instead of looking at everything, just look at a few images, is to use survey mode. So I'm going to start off by going and looking at these mannequin images that I shot outside. I'll click on one, hold down the command key, click on the other three here, so I have four selected. With the four selected, I can put my icon over this little, looks like three images here. It's called survey view, or N is the shortcut. So with those selected, oops, I must have had a couple more there. So actually this is good because I can show you some things. So I've got my mannequin images here, and then whatever one I click on is highlighted. And it's got a little white border. So if I don't want to see it, I just hit the X down there, and I'll hit the X here. Now, if I want to add an image, I'll hold down the command key, and I clicked and I added the fourth image. So now I've got these four mannequin images and they're in survey mode. So I can go and click on one, and it's going to tell me the file name of the one that's selected. I can use my right arrow key and I can kind of go through and check different things. So if I wanted to, I can be looking on the right panel and looking at metadata differences, maybe exposure differences, all those kind of things. And then I could even kind of go through and go, okay, if I look at this one right here, the third one to the right, it's too dark, so I'll hit the X and I'll reject it. I can also hit the little X down here in the corner and it takes it off. So now I'm going, okay, out of these three, let me see. Well, I prefer the composition of the two on the left. So I'm going to come over to this one here on the far right, get that out. So then I go, well, I like the exposure of the one on the left. So this is my favorite one here, and this is the one that I would continue to work on. So survey mode can be really helpful in that regard. It helps you kind of simplify the process of what you're looking at.